Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po ang kaibigan niyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-usapan po natin dalawang construction companies ng may-ari ang mga Diskaya family ang kumukuha ng multi-million pesos flood control project sa Iloilo City since 2024. Wala pong mayor's or business permit. Paano ba ito nangyari? Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video na ito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Sa balita ng Daily Guardian, may dalawang company ang mga pamilya Diskaya na kumuha ng kontrata, multi-million pesos flood control project sa Iloilo City since 2024. Wala palang mayor's or business permit. Grabe naman to. Paano to nakalusot? Sa ngayon guys, on the hot water po ang mga Diskaya family sa kanilang mga businesses kasi marami silang violation. Isa po dito ang pagbibidding sa mga projects na siyam na companies pero sila lang palang may-ari, nag-iisa lang may-ari. Ngayon ito naman sa Iloilo, walang mayor's permit or business permit pero nag-ooperate, So ito talaga guys ang pinakamalaking pangdarambong sa ating bayan, Hindi lang po ang mga Diskaya, kundi ang mga contractors na mga dishonest po at mga politiko na sangkot sa korupsyon. Ano ba sa masasabi natin, netizen? Unbelievable but true, plenty grease to lubricate the pockets, non-ara. Alam nyo guys, hindi naman po ito makapag-operate sa isang lugar dito sa Pilipinas ang kanilang businesses kung walang pahintulot or nakikinabang ng mga government employees. Sorry po sa mga matitino at saka sa mga politiko guys, nagbibigay ng projects. So, grabe talaga. Ano na lang ito mangyari sa Pilipinas kung lahat ng mga contractor at saka mga politiko ganito, Matagal na tong kalakaran actually guys, So, ito po, Diskaya firms run Iloilo City flood projects without permits. The two construction companies owned the Diskaya family have been carrying out multi-million pesos flood control projects in Iloilo City since 2024 despite not having a mayor's or business permit. The firm flagged were St. Timothy Construction Corporation and Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation, both among the country's top implementers of flood mitigation projects. The irregularity surfaced after Mayor Raisa Triñas-Cho directed the City Treasurer's Office, CTO, to review more than 90 ongoing projects of the Iloilo City District Engineer's Office, ICDO, funded by the General Appropriation Act from 2022 to 2025. CTO head engineer Jeannie Hermano reported that their review showed that two Pasig-based companies had no valid mayor's permit or business permits are requirements for contractors to legally operate within the city. The business permit ensures compliance with local regulation and it's often accompanied by building permits, zoning clearance, and safety requirements. As the result, the city has imposed more than 3.1 million in taxes against the two companies representing obligations tied to four flood projects. Hermano explained that when a business operates within the jurisdiction of local government unit, LGU, such as Iloilo City, it must have authority to do business there, which means obtaining the necessary permits and paying required taxes to the LGU. Even if a business has its principal office in another LGU and has a valid business permit there, if it operates or conduct business activities like contracting in Iloilo City, it must still obtain a permit from Iloilo City and pay the contractor's tax here, he said. Triñas-Cho said that she found the situation alarming, particularly after discovering the representatives of St. Timothy Construction could not identify the actual locations of three projects already issued notice to proceed by ICDO. Well. Ito po yun guys ang pinaka-alarming, Ito pong sa picture, ongoing flood projects of St. Timothy Construction Corporation in BO Obrero Lapus, Maliit lang sigurong gastos dito, So yun po guys, ano ba masasabi nyo? Corruption again to the highest level. Flood control projects ng mga Diskaya at mga politiko na kasangkot. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ito naman pong kaibigan niyo si Jake. Paalam. I love you all.